Assalamu alaikum dear brother and sister. Today we are in a new area with a new house. I want to show this house for you. We are inside a big project of houses, private houses. I have a house for sale in here. I want to show you. This house is 4 bedroom, 1 salon, car parking, and everything is in the project. Now we are going to inside of the house. This is the entrance, like this. This is the corridor, very large and bright, you can see. This house is in Silivri, Istanbul. Please like and subscribe our channel. We have a small toilet in here, like this. Very nice decoration. This is Sultan houses, like this. Please like and subscribe our channel. If you like this house, please contact us. And this is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen is very large and nice designed, classic design, like this. Show you the salon, and this is the salon, very large and bright, you can see. Very nice decoration. This house is next to the beach. This is best for holidays. You can buy it for investment and for holidays. This is suitable for citizenship. If you want Turkish citizenship, Turkish resident permit, this house is suitable for them. And now we are in the upstairs. We have 3 bedroom and 1 shower in here, 1 bathroom. This is our first bedroom, like this, very large and beautiful. And this is the bathroom, very large and classic decoration. Please like and subscribe our channel. If you want more details, please contact from WhatsApp. If you want to investment in Turkey, this is the true time because of the dollar rate. And this is the second bedroom, very large and bright. And now we are going to show you the couple's bedroom. And this is the couple's bedroom, very large and nice decoration, you can see. And we have a couple's bathroom in here, very large and nice decoration. This house is inside a big project in Silivri, Istanbul, next to the beach. And this house is very nice decoration and very high quality, like this. This is the view from the balcony. We have a big balcony in here. If you want more detail, please contact us from WhatsApp. Our contact number is on the video and description. Assalamu alaikum dear brother and sisters.